Inflate each balloon to about 1/3 full. Tie the two 260 balloons together by their nozzles. Make one pinch twist. Deflate about 1 finger's width of air. Make another pinch twist. Repeat this step to make a total of 5 pinch twists. Wrap around the first pinch twist once, then bring the balloon back to the center. This is the first layer. You'll need to make a total of 3 layers. Make one same layer using the green balloon. Push the air towards the tail end. Adjust the pinch twists so they are properly positioned. The raspberry is complete.